So now I just wanted to go over the example that I put in our announcement just to see how well you did with finding all of the things that were asked for. So let's go ahead and go to the example. So the cues, first of all. First cue is some scholars and researchers claim that there are negative impacts of technology on a child's developing mind. So this is the first cue. This is cueing into the counter argument. And then notice that the counter argument is just 2 sentences. It's telling you the counter argument here, and then it's giving you some detail about that counter argument. And then comes the second cue, and this is cueing into your refutation of the counter argument. Although there is validity, to the presented argument, this theory excludes. And so this is the second cue. Now you're going to refute the counter argument. And then the next thing is it's using details, which you don't have the essay, so this is kind of hard to find, but you're using topics that have already been discussed in the essay, educationally driven programming and classroom modalities are not the only way children learn about the world around them. So these 2 things have already been presented in the essay. And so notice that the refutation is using topics that have already been presented. And then the last thing is it has supporting detail that supports that classroom modalities are not the only way children learn about the world around them. And again, using the ICE method down here, we learn that television programs are types of informal education, much like educational activities that children find in magazines, museums, or after-school programs. And so this is supporting the idea that classroom modalities are not the only way children learn about the world around them. So this is a supporting detail that supports the refutation of the counter argument. So hopefully that makes sense, and you were able to find all of this in the example. Thanks.